Gib and Cotter joint. This joint is used to connect rods of square or rectangular section. The end of one of the rods is made into a fork. The end of the other rod is simply square. Both the fork and the rod has slots for carrying the gib and cotter. The rod end is inserted into the fork end, and in proper position, the cotter slots in the fork and the rod are aligned. First, the gib is inserted into the slot. And then the cotter is driven in. Since the fork ends may open out while carrying the axial load, the gib is provided. This type of joint is used in force transmission, in steam engines, textile machineries, and automobile parts.